Nations International Day of Older Persons, Cresta Foundation, in partnership with CENI by TESMO, India is organizing the National Symposium on Elder Physiological Wellbeing 2024 on October 1st.
The Women and Child Ministry by Senior Citizen segment is there. We have left messages with Dr. Shamla Iqbal. We have also brought this to the notice of Mr. Vikas Saralkar, who looks after a part of senior health from BBMP Health Department. Then we have also approached, which are the other? Department of Health and Family Welfare. IS officer, I think Mr. Shiv Kumar is there right now. So we have notified everybody, and we also spoke to the governor. When we did it in Delhi, Dr. Deepak Bora, Ambassador Dr. Deepak Bora, our PM's special advisor, he is also aware of it that we are doing such a program. And probably it's just 3 years, so we are hoping that somewhere it will be elevated and be more known to the people, that people should come in, everybody should join, otherwise it's difficult. People should join hands. So we are looking at more people joining hands so that it becomes a movement and everybody becomes a part of such a movement, because we all stand to benefit, right? We all stand to benefit.
And there are also seniors who run senior care homes. So we have the right mix of people to, probably find a policy or find an idea to take it.
Because we have students from sociology and psychology departments, we have medical doctors. In fact, the welcome dance is being presented by Dr. Tony Aloysius. He is a physician by profession but a dancer by passion. He is from St. John's. So we have doctors on the panel. We have doctors, public policy evaluation,
Shilpi, co-founding I'm Shilpi, co-founding trustee of Cresta Foundation, and we are hosting the National Symposium of Elder Psychological Wellbeing on the 1st of October in Bangalore International Center. It also aligns with United Nations International Day of Older Persons, and what we are trying to achieve through this initiative is to bring in awareness that there is a certain lack of social empathy towards seniors, and we all need to gather together from various age groups, various professional backgrounds, to brainstorm how can we ensure that our elders receive the emotional care for their psychological well-being from all aspects of the society, from government, from people who are into politics or policymakers, lawyers, medical fraternity, students, the younger generation, corporates. How do we bring everybody together to find solutions to ensure that the psychological well-being of elders, our seniors, are highlighted, and we find solutions for that. This is Mr. Anil, our managing trustee.
So many problems or so many issues concerning elders today, although the government is catering to them, the relief is not reaching the right people. That is one part of it. Secondly, there are other issues which the government is not addressing. So possibly we should be looking at a different ministry for seniors instead of getting it into family welfare or something like that. There are too many things which government is not addressing. I'm not trying to criticize the government, but we need to take a look at it. We need to bring this to the government's notice. That is Anil Kumar. I'm the managing trustee for Cresta Foundation.